What's going on, YouTube? We have another video today. This is talking about the new partner program update that just dropped for Kick.com. Some things have changed, and before I talk about that, I just wanted to say that this is my 10th year of streaming coming up here in a couple days. I'm super excited to be sharing this experience with all you guys. Hopefully, I'll see you guys in the stream on Friday. It's going to be lit. Yeah, 10 years down, 10 more to go. Love the content I make, and I love making it for you guys. Just wanted to let everybody know. Still holding strong. But anyways, Kick just dropped this big update, and it's changing the way that people get partnered on the site. If you want more videos like this, remember to subscribe to the channel and enable bell notifications to be notified when I drop these videos. This update is actually pretty game changing because a lot of people that already have gotten the verification are going to lose that verification because they do not maintain these requirements. Now, this update is so new that I don't know the tenure of how long you have to hold these requirements. But if you fill these bars up, send an email to this email address right here and include the following information. Anyways, let's run down this because, yeah, this is actually kind of interesting, and it's a little bit, it kind of throws you off. Also, if you guys stick around to the end, at the end of the video, I will drop a little tip on how to get some more viewers on Kick. Legitly. Anyways, so the first one is actually the one that confused me, and it says monetize my channel. Reach a total of 20 subscribers in the last 30 days. So when I first saw this, I first thought of ads. I thought of how reaching this bar will make it so my channel can be monetized, but that's actually wrong. None of these bars getting filled up actually unlock anything new. You need to unlock all 5 requirements to be able to apply to become a partner. That being said, you're not guaranteed to become a partner by filling up these bars. It's all on the person you email. And my suggestion to you is if you do reach these requirements, email multiple times. If you don't get a response, even if you do get a response, and if you get denied, wait a couple days, send another email in. They have, many people working on this, and you just got to talk to the right person. So to reach this requirement, you have to get 20 subscribers in the last 30 days, non-gifted. So you can't have like a big head honcho coming in, gifting the 50 bomb, and you can get this bar filled up. They have to be individual subscribers. Okay. Reach an average of 75 views. Now, see, this sounds a little bit like Twitch. So, and with these new requirements, I'm very interested to see how people are going to react because, one thing that Kick's had going for them is, Kick's different. You don't need such high requirements for this and that. But now things are unraveling a little bit as the site's growing and maturing and more people are coming to the site. The site dropped their app in the App Store, and that made a lot of changes need to be, made come true. And it has to happen, guys. For the site to be legitimate and to be actually up there to compete with Twitch, it can't just be like some running wild jungle show. You know what I mean? Like, there has to be rules set. There has to be legitimacy. You can't have people cheating their way to getting a partner check and then everybody that works hard for it not get it. So anyways, that's just a little bit of me talking about that because I've been on both sides. I've been streaming for a long time, and it's just very interesting. Like I said, I want to see what people are going to say about this one specifically. What do you think about this? Leave a response in the comments below. How do you feel about the new average for viewers to become partnered on Kick? Consistency. So these two are actually pretty easy. You just got to put time in. Stream a total of 12 days in the last 30 days, and also stream a total of 30 hours. Holy shit. But I guess the next tough one too for people is going to be this last one is getting 300 unique chatters. And I could see people cheating this somehow, but in the long run, just grind out your channel, guys. It doesn't feel good to cheat your way up and then not reap benefits that are actually, for you. Because you're not really going to get much out of it. Yeah, you get green check mark, but at the end of the day, bro, verification or not, it's all about the community you grow and who you know and who you meet and who you network with. So that being said, these are the new 5 requirements for becoming a partner here on Kick. And I have a little tip for you guys, because if you want to get some more viewers on Kick, one thing that I've successfully been able to do, and I've noticed that it works, is play different games. Play different games that are not on Kick, that you don't see in the categories, because all you got to do is put yourself under just chatting, and then a admin will come into your channel and either A, they'll ask what game you're playing, or B, they'll just straight up switch you, which a lot of the time they switch you to the wrong game. You could switch back to just chatting. And just with all the IRL streams that are going on right now, just chatting is a very good place to be. Take that tip, do what you wish with it, try some new games, and just be patient with your channels, guys. Kick and streaming is a big investment. I've been doing this for 10 years now, and I still consider myself a small streamer. Yes, I could have done things a little different, but at the end of the day, I've done things that I've wanted to do. I haven't been tied down to doing X, Y, or Z. And my tip to you guys is just have fun with it. That being said, remember to drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think about these new requirements. And also enable those bell notifications and subscribe to the channel. This one was a little bit more of a lengthier talking video. It's been a while since I dropped a video. I enjoy making content for you guys and expect more videos soon. My name is Mad. I'll see you guys in the next video. And hopefully we will have some new verified partners out there. Let me know if you guys make it.